Okay, so here I want to show you how to make your oatmeal more delicious using this one, CocoSpice SuperMix, that has coconut milk powder and coconut sugar, and then it has cinnamon, ginger, turmeric. This one has anti-inflammatory properties. So you could use these instant ones. This is a good brand, but you want to do the classic one without additives, without sugar additives. And you could put 1 tablespoon of your CocoSpice into here before putting it in the microwave. I recommend to use a sprouted brand. This is a good brand, 1 Degree. This is from Canada, and it's important that your nuts, seeds, grains, beans, legumes, these are all sprouted. You activate them to reduce the anti-nutrients like lectin, like phytic acid, that tannin that are usually present in these products. You want to activate them and sprout them. You sprout them to increase the nutrient density of these products and reduce the anti-nutrients of them. So I like this brand, 1 Degree, and you would take like 4 ounce, okay, and it doesn't have to be exact. I would take 4 ounce, and I would take 1 tablespoon of my CocoSpice and add it here, and I just mix it. And now I'm ready to cook this based on the manufacturer's recommendation. And I just put it in the pot, add the amount of water that they recommend, and in a few minutes my delicious oatmeal will be ready.